Stop buying ketchup. This homemade version is so much better. All the ingredients are added directly to the pot. The order doesn't matter. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat and stir constantly over low heat for about 15 minutes. The ketchup is ready when a clear line forms while stirring. After cooling, store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. This homemade ketchup is amazing, with potatoes in burgers, in sandwiches, with meat with pizza, or simply as a homemade sauce. If you love homemade recipes without unnecessary additives, subscribe for more delicious ideas. See you in the next recipe.